Want to manage call waiting on your iPhone? Whether you want to enable or disable this feature, here is how you can turn on or off call waiting on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn on call waiting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, and find the Phone app. Tap Call Waiting, toggle on call waiting. Your call waiting feature is now enabled. You can right here as well turn it off. Solution 2. Using carrier-specific codes, if applicable. Some carriers allow you to control call waiting through dialer codes. Open the Phone app and tap the dialer keypad. To enable call waiting, dial *43# and press the call button. To disable call waiting, dial #43# and press the call button. You should receive a confirmation message about the status of call waiting. This is how you can turn on and off your call waiting feature on iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.